and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use graphs on CapCut. So first, you're just going to select the clip and add two keyframes. So I'm just going to add one here, and I'm just going to add one over here. And on this keyframe, actually I'm just going to, add one here. And on this keyframe, you are just going to sort of zoom in. And if I play it without graphs, it's just going to sort of pan to the part where I zoomed in. But if I add in a graph, so click on the clip again, go around here, and find graphs. Click on it and find graphs. And here you can see a lot of options. The most visible one you can really see is bounce. If I click on this one, as you can see when I play it, it sort of bounces. There's a lot to choose from, as you can see here. And you can also create your own, like customize your own over here and press edit. Here you can like add beats and like move this up and down. But again, the bounce one is the most visible sort of, the most visible graphs. I don't know why it's not working. It was working before, but to customize it, you're just going to do that. Oh, okay, I see why. Just sort of select this and then press add beats, and then you can just do whatever you want, like customize it. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!